Making money online is very interesting, but for only those who know the way out. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can earn the USDT, $100 USDT and very much more with this particular website, and get it every 2 hours, so we can actually withdraw again. So I'm going to be doing all the full process into this particular video right now. Do not bother about the link of this particular video. I will be sending it at the description of the video, so you go straight to the description to click on the link. But before you go into that, make sure you get all those details very well, how you are going to go about it. Clicking on this particular video is a way success for you, is a beginning of the success for you into this particular platform and into the crypto world to make money online. So right now, without wasting much of our time, let's move straight into the video for today. So once you open this particular platform just like this, you are going to register. So there will be a link at the description. So once you click on the link at the description, you will be able to come into the platform like this. Then you can recharge any amount of your choice. So the minimum recharge you can actually put in is actually $10, but I do advise my people, if you want to get more from this, you can actually start with an $100, 100 USDT right down. So I'm going to be taking you on a process to how to make more money on this platform and how to recharge and also withdraw. So stay till to the end so you don't miss the important part of it. So you can see it from my assets right now. I'm having $50. I've actually made the withdrawal already, so I'm having 50 right here. So I'm using this 50 to make some little trade, then I'm going to deposit again after I make another withdrawal. So now to deposit on this particular platform is actually very easy, and to get all the other steps I'm going to be showing you at the description. The link is at the description. Also, you can go to my Telegram channel for your questions and also for the details or more about this particular platform. But remember, this platform is actually 100% legit at this time of making this particular video, so do well to make your own further research. So to recharge, click on recharge right now. So when you click on recharge, it's actually easy, just basically the way you are going to be recharging or sending funds to another wallet. So just come right here and copy this particular contract address. But remember, this particular address varies, so you can actually come back again if you want to make another deposit. So once you click on this, you can go to your wallet and paste it. Immediately you send to this particular USDT TRX20 to this particular website. It's going to notify and come in straight up. It's actually very fast, and even the withdrawing section is also very fast. If you want to withdraw, so this is actually how to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you come right here, then you click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you are going to, the minimum withdraw is $5, so you click on the amount you want to withdraw. So let's assume I want to withdraw $5 right now. I'm going to click on $5. So the fees is actually very low, that's 0.3%, and you're going to be getting $4.985 right now. And you put your password, then you click on this to get your code. The code is actually going to come in very fast, and also you have already banned your wallet into this platform, and that's basically how to earn more on this platform. So to actually do the trading part is every 2 hours you have to come here to immediate competition of others. Like you have to come here once you click on this, because I've already done the transaction right now already. You can see I've done the transaction already, and this is what we have right here. So I have the remaining balance right here. So after the 2 hours, this is actually going to come back inside, and I will make my profit already. You can see this is transaction I've actually done. See all the transaction I've done right now: $7, $10, $16, $6, $10, $3, $9, $16, 24, 34. That is basically how to earn more from this particular platform. It's very easy and legit, so you can actually try and give it a try. But remember, investment is actually a risk. Invest the amounts you can afford to lose. This platform is actually paying currently right now, and a lot have actually benefit from this platform. This platform is actually changing life at this particular point in time. So this is a great opportunity if you want to come into this platform and come in and enjoy also. So thanks so much for watching. Do not forget, the link is at the description, and you can also get more by registering and sending your link to more people to refer. And once they come in, you're going to be getting some percent from their deposit also, and that's very massive in this particular video. So thanks so much for watching, and I love you guys.